Good afternoon, my name is Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this very cool 1972 BMW 2002. These are fondly referred to as roundies because the rear tail lights are round, and these are amongst the most desirable built. This is a really straight, apparently rust-free California car. Drives and mechanically it's quite good. Start with the engine compartment. I believe the yellow is original. If not, it's been done very well. But it's clean as a pin. Obviously has been repainted. So the bumpers are straight. They would probably, the whole car could use some TLC, but it's actually a very nice condition car. Has exhaust headers. Overall, very, very nice. Has the sunroof, which works. Interior, the seats have been reupholstered and rebuilt. They're very nice. Looks like original carpets. Dash is solid. The roof works, but the headliner is not pretty. Back seat is fine. It's a very solid car. It's a driver. Also, you look at the door. The door panels are very nice. They're probably replacements. Has original style wheel covers. The old style California gold and blue license plates. Very solid, no rust. Spare tire. This car has been used but well maintained. Looks like newer shocks, been bolted in. So the story on it, the guy who consigned this has owned this for 6 or 7 years. And he's a BMW guy, has a Z8 also. He's a real estate investor, and he's moving to Italy, so he can't bring this one, not easily. So we're gonna go for a quick drive. Mechanically wise, it's very stout. The guy lives up in LA, and he drove it here and stop and go LA traffic. To me, that's an endorsement all on its own. So I'm gonna move the seat up a little. So the top works. It closes up even. Lazy spring there. So it has the original choke in the original choke position. The gauges look, to my eye, new. Car starts right up and runs really well. Guy says the gas tank is about half right, meaning it's about half wrong. But the shift, the linkage is good. The clutch uptake is really good. That was me, not it. I'm shifting wrong-handed. Shifts fine. Drives out excellent. Drives really nice. Better than I had expected by a lot. So the speedo works, the tachometer works. It drives out excellent. I'm very impressed. Goes down the road absolutely straight arrow. So it stops nice and straight. No pull, no tug, no drama. Really nice. Okay. Again, I think that was me. So the temperature gauge looks like it works. Drives out really nice. So let's review. 1972 BMW 2002, clean California title. Smog exempt. Let me know if you'd like to see anything else. Thank you very much.